Protect your vehicle's interior with these tailor-made Endura mats from Dash Designs.
Looking for an affordable set of custom-fit carpet floor mats? Check out the Endura mat from our friends at Dash Designs. These custom-fit carpet mats look great, will protect your interior, and they're easy to install. So I'm going to throw a set into this Chevrolet Tahoe here, and you see how easy they are to install and how great they look.
The Endura floor mats will enhance and protect your factory interior. They are available in a variety of colors and configurations to best protect your vehicle.
The Endura mats are vehicle specific, so they are custom fit for your application. So you'll see this mat is custom fit for the driver's side of the Chevrolet Tahoe. It has the metal grommets, so you can use your factory anchors in the floorboard, and has a nice ribbed backing too, so prevent your mats from curling and slipping in the car. So really, they install real easy since they're custom fit. Just line up the grommets and done. So we'll throw them in all the spots of the car and show you some clips of how they look inside the vehicle.
The Endura mats are made from cut pile nylon carpet with a reinforced binding. The rubber nib backing prevents the mats from sliding and curling. The mats are custom fit for your vehicle application for optimal fit and installation. The mats are available in multiple colors in either front row sets, 2-row sets, 3-row sets, or cargo mats to best protect your car, truck, or SUV. Visit our website to view all available options for your vehicle. Protect your interior and enhance its appearance with the Endura Custom Floor Mats from Dash Designs.